Have you ever seen a Python function like this and wondered what args and kwargs mean? Args allows you to call a function with any number of positional arguments, and kwargs allows you to call a function with any number of keyword arguments. We will look at each of these in more depth now. Args collects multiple positional arguments into a single tuple parameter, which can then be used within a function. This allows for flexible function definitions that can accept any number of arguments. Imagine we have a function called sumAll, which takes in args as a parameter. We can call sumAll with any number of arguments. In this example, we call it with 1, 2, 3, and 4. These arguments can then be referenced in the sumAll function from the args parameter as a tuple. In this example, we call sumAll with the positional arguments 1, 2, and 3. These arguments are now available in the sumAll function as a tuple. Within the function, we loop through each argument in the tuple, add the number to the total variable, then we return total, which represents the sum of the tuple, and we get 6 as the output. We can call the sumAll function with any number of parameters since we are using args. When we call the function with these arguments, we get 15 as the output. Kwargs is similar to args. It collects multiple keyword arguments into a single dictionary parameter, which can then be used within a function. This allows for flexible function definitions that can accept any number of named arguments. Imagine we have a function called printinfo, which takes in kwargs as a parameter. We can call printinfo with any number of keyword arguments. In this example, we call it with name equal to Alice and age equal to 30. These arguments are then available to the function as a dictionary. In this case, the dictionary will have a key name with value Alice and a key age with a value 30. In this example, we call printinfo with 3 keyword arguments. The name of the parameters and associated values are then available in the function through kwargs. We loop through each key and value in kwargs and print them out. The output is each keyword argument's name and the value associated with it. We can call printinfo with different keyword arguments, and the function will behave the same way. It will print out each keyword argument's name and the value associated with it. If you learned something, please consider liking and subscribing. Also follow me on Twitter at DeepDiveDevs.